Hello, how's everybody doing? Welcome to my channel. I have a teeny tiny unboxing for you guys today. Um, it was supposed to come with another, you know, all of this that was in this boxing, so it would have been one big boxing, but that didn't happen. So, this is the rest of my Erin Condren order. I just got it today. So, let's check it out, shall we? I got the stuff that's supposed to match this stuff. And the lighting's not going to be so great. It's cloudy here today. And there it is. There it is, there it is, there it is. The remainder of the order. My mid-century circles order. That I have really been enjoying this. This is so cute. I love that it's pastels. I know I've said it before, I'm going to say it again. This right here, that right there, perfect color. That one, that would be my second one right there. And then this one is and this one is very much like a periwinkle. I just love those colors. Love them. I don't like these bold ones as much, but love that. So, I got the sticker book. Let's play with it first, shall we? If I can get her open. I don't see any of my handy dandy tools hanging around being so handy. So I guess I'll have to actually open it at the seam. Honestly, I wish I had not got this. I wish I had got the Seasons one. I got one of the last ones they had, and I love it. It's not seasons, it's a monthly. So for each month you have a theme, and they were beautiful. I really liked those. But I went ahead and went with the theme, which is this. So these stickers, when I first got them in one of the books I got last time, I was like, why are they so icky and so thin? It's because they're supposed to be like washi tape. So these stickers have a washi tape consistency to them. So if you get them and you're like, I don't know that yet. I prefer some of the other ways they've done it. But anyway, colors are fantastic. They match up perfect with the planner. So you've got little circles, half circles, little boxes, bigger circles. I always like things like this, especially since I'm doing my weekly the way I'm doing it in the folio. Don't go folio. I still have a bunch of these left in my last one. There's the actual strips. I really enjoy those because those are perfect. Let's celebrate. Oh, you got two pages of that. Then more boxes. Now, the one thing with Erin Condren, if you've never ordered stickers before, 99% of her stickers are just simply, they're cute, but they're functional. They're not, you're not going to get like a ton of flowers or anything like that. So just keep that in mind. But like I said, the monthly is really super cute. So you have enough to do a monthly layout every month. And they're just really cute. You get a lot of foiling in them and everything. And adorable. So that's the first one. And then I got another planny pack. I like her planny packs too, although I don't think they should be $20. But these I got on sale, so I didn't quite pay $20. I have this. This is the second one I've ever had. I have this one as well, which I love. My little thingy came off of it, but I just put a little paper clip on there to pull her on and off. But I love the colors in that as well, especially over here in the purples and the blues. Those are my favorites. So, as you can see, this has a strap on it. I wish she had made, instead of cream, this would have been really cool if she'd made it the blush pink, like the inside of the planner itself is. That would have matched really nicely. But, see, the inside's probably cream too. Yep, inside is cream. But, I mean, it's really nice and thick. And you've got the pouch in there, and then all kinds of stuff. And it really holds more than it looks like it would. And it's perfect for just, you know, because I didn't order any. Ooh, this one doesn't like being zipped. I didn't order any of the pen holders because they were out. So that's why I ordered that. Instead, I just can load that one up and wrap it around. Not that I go a whole lot of places, but if I do, because I think this will probably be what I take on my vacation with me. And so I'll have that. I can put stickers and pack it up really nicely. And then on top of that, oh, this is going to be fun getting into. That's where these nails come in handy. That's why I tell them, make them sharp. I want to be able to poke somebody's eye out if I need to with my nails. They're super short right now just because the, you know, person that did my nails last time didn't listen to me when I said, not so short. I lose my nails. It's like losing an appendage. So, there we go. So now you have the little cute box. And inside the little cute box is the little cute pen. This one was on sale. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought it because I really like the other pen they have. But it was on sale and it matched. So, normally these are like almost $19. And I'm like, why? You know, I love a good pen. But it's not even a gel pen. Let's see, I'm trying to find a piece of paper here that I can write on so we can test it out. I mean, I love pretty pens in general. See, it's just a regular little ink pen. So I'm going to have to look and find, I gotta have gel in it. It's just that simple. So I'll have to see what kind of refills it takes. So if anybody knows what kind of gel refill the Erin Condren pens use, yeah, hit me up in the comments, please, and let me know. Because I really, really want to know. I mean, the ink that's in it's not even that pigmented. So, should I try and tear her up right now and see? Should I? I'm not sure how she tears up. Let's see, how do you tear up? I'm so scared I'm going to break it. I'm going to break it. There's got to be a way. Okay. I think this is it. Cross your fingers, because I still pay $10 for this thing. Oh, I don't like these kind. I don't think I have any that will fit it. Ugh. Yeah, I'm going to have to work on that one. So, please, 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 hit me up if you know what to do with the refills. Okay, there we go. I didn't break her. Pretty, but not what I want. I want a gel. Girl loves her gel pens. Honestly, I can't write with a ballpoint anymore. I just can't. I love my gels too much. I mean, ooh, they just look so much better. My handwriting's better. I think it's just because it's so much more fluid and it, you know, writes so much better. Better, better, better. I said better how many times? All right. That was a cute little snippet of a unboxing. And I put my pink, pale pink ollie clip there because it actually looks so much better with it because it goes almost perfectly with the interior. I still haven't got my ollie clips. That's one thing, ladies. If you order an ollie clip, yeah, you gotta wait. I love them when I get them. But look, I've already been decorating all of my monthly stuff. Haven't done Christmas yet because I don't really have any Christmas stickers. But I did do the ones that I could do with, you know, flowers and stuff like that. Show you the one I like the best. I love this one. Isn't that pretty? This was done with a sticker book I got from Michael's for $5. Stickers aren't as good as the, you know, Happy Punter stickers, but still they're, you know, $5 and you get a bunch. Yep. And I got a lot of stickers in here. This was the last Erin Condren sticker book I got. I really liked it because it had all the flowers. If you like this these, I forget what she calls them. But anyways, the flower patterns, if you like these, she has an A5 6-ring agenda now in this pattern. It's very pretty. Very pretty. So anyway, I've got all that, and I've got all of her other ones in there that comes in the back. And I also have this in the mid-century circles also. Because this is cool. I like this one because this one is very flexible. Do what you want to with it. Make it a daily, a weekly, whatever you want to do. So there she bees. My mid-century circle haul. Pretty gnarly. And guess what, ladies? My vendor spec custom planners have shipped. So they're already in the States. They shipped yesterday and they're already in. I think they were like in, I want to say Alabama or something. So it's a great possibility that I may get them as soon as tomorrow, since they've already cleared customs and everything. So I'm like, I'm so excited. If I get them tomorrow, I won't be able to do anything about it as far as an unboxing goes, because I have appointments all day. So I'm going to be like, you know, my teeth are just going to be gnawed down to the very, my teeth. My nails will be gnawed down to the very, you know, things. But very excited. Very excited. So anyway, tell me how you like them. And again, if anybody knows of a gel refill that I can put in that pen, please let me know. I would appreciate it so much. All right, guys. Thanks so much. Hope you liked it. Bye.